Grego's here. What's going on? What do we have here? The second Porsche through our ranks at Van Zalt's Restorations. But unlike the last one, which was a bit of a wild ride, it was a Porsche Boxster that had been painted in candy pink or something like that. Anyway, we painted it black and it come up all right. But that was like a quick respray. This thing's another level of work. So a lot of the work, a lot of the hardcore stuff the owner has taken care of. There's been, right-hand drive conversion. I think previously the car was a bit of a mess. It had, massively flared guards, and so a lot of work has already gone into this car. And you can see where the repair panel has been welded into there, or it might have been the back, or anyway. The point is that we've got to make it look like the best 914 in the world. So that's our aim. They're sort of cool panels. They're not like, they've got a steep curve through here, but basically they're just reasonably flat, a nice curve here. Like compared to the Carmen Ghia that has like a couple of recesses, these are pretty straightforward, and it's not a big car. So one stipulation is the owner doesn't want any bog at all in there, filler. But the areas that will need a bit of work over the welding, etc., and patches like this, they're going to be lead white. Old school Grego's going. It's been something I wanted to get into for a long time. Not too many people doing it anymore because it is a bit slower, but it is a better option. So we're just going to get all these panel gaps spot on. There's a bit of a whoops here and there, so they're circled already for me. So a bit of heat shrinking, a bit of work with the shrinking disc. This has been extended out because the gap must have been way out, but we've got a bit of work to do on this to get it to sit correctly so it's not too high. So if you push that down like that so that it's almost good, it's sort of too low in the middle, so we could be doing a bit of manipulation, as they say. So yeah, it's already been stripped back, but we'll be sanding it back to super clean and smooth. But yeah, the bonus of it being on a rotisserie, it's all been carefully set at the correct height with these spaces and that, so that it can do a full 360. So this is pretty exciting. It's another thing I've wanted for a long time as a rotisserie too, and this will be good. So like to get access under here, you can see where that was all welded through there. We're going to be using bloody Raptor liner or something on the bottoms of this. And so if you don't know, if you're not aware, these are, they had a 2-litre fuel injection, very closely related to the Type 4 combi engines, but a bit more worked. And mid-engine, so how cool is that? So they had the engine in here and the gearbox behind it. So flipped around. So these weren't a fast car, but an awesome car handling wise, like because they were so low to the ground, and the mid-engine layout and the suspension's a little bit more advanced than the old V-dubs and stuff as well. It's just a fun car as long as you weren't trying to break land speed records, and that's not the point. People sort of think that they've got a sports car because it's a fast car. This is a proper sports car. So we can't wait to get stuck into it. I know we're on the tail end of quite a few projects. We're getting them done, but we're gonna get a start on this as well. There's no time restraints on this. Not that, you know, we want any project here forever, but I mean, it's not like we're gonna rush it. We're just gonna do a super duper job on it. Can't wait, looking forward to it. Because we're, yeah, so you can see where the owner has done a bit of lead wiping to test it out, and yeah, I'm looking forward to going down that path. A little bit old school, all file finish and bond free. So yeah, that's cool. So this other door, I think, yeah, that's it's going to take a bit of work. But best part is everywhere where I got a panel beat, get a hammer and dolly in. I got like full access in behind it, same as in the door. I got access down there to work on the dints. Don't know whether you saw that. So yeah, that's it. That's the rundown, the review on Project 914. It doesn't have a name, but it's going to be 914 because we can't have people calling it 914. All right? We won't have any of that. 914, as the numbers spell. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick rundown, and we will talk to you again later.